Welcome to the New Life family. We're excited that you have decided to join us on our mission to end the trend of poor health and financial stress. If you are watching this, then that means you have received your incredible business starter kits. This kit will give you all the tools necessary to launch your business. You'll also have the support of the company and your sponsor. You are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. Let's walk you through your starter kit together to make sure you do not miss any of the tools or resources you have available to you. The tools in your startup kit include the Getting Started Guide, Product Catalog, Compensation Plan, Lifestyle Magazine, Price Lists, Order Forms, and New Distributor Application Forms. Your starter kit will also include your selected products to get you started on the products and feeling the benefits. You also have digital tools that are available to help you manage and grow your business. The first is your own personal Shop New Life website. This is where you'll send your friends and prospects you refer to New Life, so you get credit for their orders and activity, and most importantly, help them experience optimal health or to help them start their New Life journey. You also have your New Life back office. This is an important resource to help you grow and manage a successful distributor business, because you will not only have access to the resource library, but you can track a multitude of stats and reports to ensure your friends, your customers, and your team are well taken care of and your business is moving in the right direction. For those of you who prefer to work from your phone, you also have the access to the New Life Back Office app, so you can grow and manage your business while you are on the go. This is a free app and can be downloaded right now. To find it, search for New Life Back Office on your App Store or Play Store. Last but not the least is the Team New Life app. This is such a powerful tool for prospecting, sharing media, and follow up with customers. With this app, you have access to a library of videos, PDFs, and social media images. You can create and share custom video and email campaigns. The ability to swipe directly from your contacts to create your hot and cold prospect list is amazing. You can even see when a prospect has watched contents you have shared with them. It's a fantastic prospecting and follow-up tool. And right now, you have 60 days free trial access to the TNL app. It's only valid for 60 days after enrollment, so you go to your App Store or Play Store now and search for Team New Life, download the app and get connecting and sharing with your prospects. After your free 60 days, you can now renew your TNL app subscription. Contact your local distributor center for details. We're excited to take this journey with you and cannot wait to celebrate your success.